Create invoice from created customer. Invoice. New invoice. Note that if you have not set up the bank account, please go to the Cash Bank menu where you can find an option to set up your personal bank account. You have to create a bank account before creating an invoice. Select the customer, whom you want to send the invoice. If you have not set up the customer, please set up the customer first. References are automatically allocated, but you can input your own reference number. Leave the project, but if you want to add a project, please set up a project on the Project Setup menu under Settings tab. Select your currency from the drop-down. Select the payment terms for the invoice. If you select cash, the invoice will credit immediately and the bank debited when you validate the invoice. If you select another payment term, then you must process the payment once the payment is received. For this, go to the Payment tab, found in the Invoice section, or View Invoice and select Payment Term at the bottom of the invoice. Click Checkmark. Sales tax number. If it's not showing your sales tax number, please give here your sales tax number. Sales tax number is shown on the View Invoice page as well. Choose the product from the drop-down list. If you can't find your desired product item, please create the item first. To create a new item, please go to the Product Service tab and use the Product Item menu. Can create product categories through the Product Category menu. There you can keep your products under category as well. Quantity. Sales tax. You can set your sales tax by percentage. Set here your sales tax, then valid the product item. Now click the check mark to add the product. You may add another product and select the same sales tax percentage or another that you have set up. Giving here a delivery due date. If you want to tell something to your customer, you can write here. You can see a preview, cancel doing invoice, sent to your customer directly from here as well. Now press the Place Invoice button. View this invoice. Look at all the data you shared is added here. You can also send this invoice by clicking the Email Text button. Note the invoice we'll send as English translation via email directly. If you want to send its translated version, you have to change the software language from Language Settings under Settings tab. Once the invoice has been validated, and then go to View Invoice. View the invoice you want to send. Go to the bottom at Print to download the PDF. Save the invoice with your desired translated version, and send it to your customer through your email. Your bank details at bottom of the invoice. This info can be whatever you want and can be edited here. This will appear on the bottom of the invoice. Click here to send this invoice to your customer. You can check GL journal entries for this invoice. To see GL account transactions, go reporting. Printable report. General ledger. GL account transaction. Display GL account transaction. Find the reference number. All the given values have been placed. Until next time, make you try once to see how simple this whole process can be. Thank you very much.